When dealing with a large number of work orders, it's important to be able to filter and get to the work order you need as quick as possible. To make this easier, we've built out a new custom work order filter feature. This feature is located on the work orders and the scheduled maintenance page. By default, the drop-down currently includes built-in filters including active work orders, closed completed work orders, all work orders, and work requests down in the quick filters area. However, if I want to create my own custom filter, I'll do so on the right-hand side in the custom filters area. A common work order filter used is active work orders for a specific user. To create this, I'll hit the plus button and define my first rule. In this instance, I'll use assigned users, contains text, and then I'll type in the name of one of my users. I'll create a secondary rule to make sure that it only filters active work orders. I'll click and then choose status is one of, and then I'll choose my active filters. You'll see in this case I can choose more than one. When I'm ready to go, I'll save this filter and give it a name. I can do this again and create a secondary filter if I need to. Experiment with your own custom filters using this new feature. By clicking the drop-down, I can see all fields that I can search by. Some of these fields are not often searchable, so this is a great way to create a unique workflow. For instance, problems, priorities, or even descriptions. One final note, when editing or deleting custom work order filters, these changes can only be made from an administrator account. So create the filters that work for you and set them as the default for your entire CMMS. One final note, when editing or deleting custom work order filters, these changes can only be made from an administrator account. So log in. These changes can only be made on the administrator account. So create the filters that work for you and set them as your default for your entire, and set them as the default for your entire CMMS.